Hi, my name is Geli, and today I will take you on an urban sketching trip to the River Lahn. The river's only about 10 minutes walk from where I live. Today is the first time I use my new push-art box. It's a Gorilla Painter push-art box, and I'm using a tripod to put it on. I'm starting with a pencil sketch, and then I'm using gouache paints. They are Caran d'Ache gouache paints in pen form. I like them when I'm traveling. I'm putting some cerulean blue and mixed with white for the sky. Then I'm using some ochre for the bushes in the background. And by the way, in the background you can hear the road. There is a, in German, we Germans say Bundesstraße. It's a national road or federal road. You can hear the cars and the trucks. And you can hear the birds. Now I'm painting the water. It's a greenish brown water. The wind's picking up a little bit more. It's a little bit cold, about 8 degrees. Should be around 46 Fahrenheit. But I'm wearing gloves, so it's the sun, it's warm, it's not that bad. I'm putting the shadow of the bushes in the background into the water with some brown. I'm putting the reflections of the tree in the water, some brown color. Now I'm using a watercolor pencil because for the small branches it's more easy to put them in with a pencil. Now I'm putting some ducks in the scene, although they are already gone and are sane and dated. Hope you like my video, and maybe you want to maybe you would like me to join me on a next trip again. Stay creative. Bye. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Here you can find some other videos on my channel you like to watch. See you next time.